First things first, I'm going to try and conceal. I'm just going to take my Lasting Collection concealer. This is also from the Lasting Collection. It's literally just like a little powder. So I'm just gonna put that over it. Then I take my Matte Fix Revolution setting spray. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I really feel like I need a new eyebrow routine because I've literally been doing the same thing that I do every day, all the time. So I'm going to take my concealer again. I'm going to go underneath and over my eyebrows. I hope everyone is surviving well in the midst of this corona epidemic, because I'm really not. I mean, this isn't necessary for doing your eyebrows, but I do think it really benefits in helping you shape them more when you start to draw them on. So I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Brow This Way eyebrow palette with the powder and paste as well. I've literally never used anything else on my eyebrows. I've used, before I used this, I just used to use eyebrow pencils, but then I realised that just wasn't enough. So yeah, this is what I use. So I go in first with the paste and draw them out. That went on quite easily. I would say doing the concealer is something that I think for people who don't usually shape their eyebrows or just have never really done anything with them, by concealing them, it's almost like you create a template for you to just fill in the eyebrows. So yeah, try it. Change your life. I actually don't think my eyebrows I've never just done them like that, and they've quite alright. So my next move is, usually I never used to do my eyeshadow. I'd always do my eyebrows, face, then eyeshadow. But I then realised the benefits of doing eyeshadow before my face, because obviously if I just make any mistakes or mascara goes on my face, you know, I won't kick off. So concealer again to use as a base on top of the eyelids. I also have no idea what I'm putting on my eyeshadow or what sort of look I'm going for, which, I mean, I never do. When I go on a night out, usually I'll literally just do the same thing all the time, but let's just see what I can come up with. Okay, let's get started on the eyeshadow. So I'm probably going to do a dark, smoky, seductive. Okay, so this is a Nudes palette. This is literally from Primark, and they're really good. So I'm just gonna go with this brown shade here. So now using the Maybelline New York 24 Nudes palette, I'm just gonna go in with a more light, glittery shade, and I'm going to start applying that onto my lid. I'm going to use this dark shade. It's still got a tint of sparkle in it. And now I'm going to focus this on the sort of this C part. I'm just going to make almost a C shape. And you can already when it's been cleaned up, you can already sort of see it adds so much more depth. So then I'm going to take just a more flat, fluffy brush, I'm going to spray a bit of my setting spray onto it. And I'm just going to add a bit of that onto the lid. And we're just going to blend it all together. The eyelashes that I'm using are Ardell, Demi Wispies, I think. I also haven't worn eyelashes in weeks, so let's see how well this goes. I just dropped it. So I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and so I'm going to be using the Touche Eclat YSL foundation and my beauty blender. Next, I'm going to do my concealer. This isn't actually, but because I'm running out of concealer, I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless filter. Next, I'm going to contour using the Rihanna Fenty contour stick. I literally can't live without a contour stick now. All the main bits, especially my double chin. And to set this all, I'm going to use the Laurent translucent powder. I have quite a lot of lines on my face, like laughing lines. I've got this line here next to my eyebrow from where I see that, because I just frown all the time. Usually with my eyebrows, I actually usually do the paste and then I go over them with the powder. I don't think I need to today, so I'm just gonna go over them with the Benefit Gimme Brow. And I'm just gonna lightly dust the powder off. I forgot to powder my nose. I'm gonna go in with the shade that I originally started with, so like the base shade, and I'm going to put that on my under eye. I usually use 2 mascaras when I've got eyelashes because I want one thin brush for the bottom and a normal for the top. So I'm just going to use Maybelline New York Lash Sensational and blend my eyelashes together. I don't know why I hold my breath when I do my mascara. I'm going to pass out one day. And then for the bottom lashes, I'm going to use Benefit Bad Gal. So next I'm going to use from my Benefit Complexionista palette because I've run out of my Benefit Hoola bronzer. There's like a tiny little square in here. So I'm just going to start off with that. So I always like to use like a base bronzer, just because if I go in with like a more thick, darker bronzer, it can be more difficult to blend. So if you start off with almost like a guideline, you can then see how much more you need to apply. So this is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Swirl bronzer, which again I can't live without. I literally use ever since I bought it. It's the only bronzer that I'll use to contour my face with. Now I use blusher. I never used to use blusher, but ever since I did start using it, I literally can't not use it now. I feel like without it, my face is, if I just use bronzer and highlighter, I feel like my face is sort of missing something. So I use blusher now. So the blush that I'm using is W7 Matte Blush. So what I'm going to do is take my eyeshadow brush, this one, I'm going to spray that. And then I'm just going to use a really light colour from one of the eyeshadow palettes for highlight. So I'm sort of just going to mix like these two together. I don't know, I've got this theory that makeup sort of like sinks into your face. I don't know. So I just like to go over it again to just like make it more prominent. So now I'm going to do my lips. I've got a Bodyography Timber Lip Pencil. Now these lipsticks, I've got these two and another one somewhere. They're from Primark, but these lipsticks are amazing. They're so good and they're so cheap. And this is Rosewood Mauve. And they're so good. Actually, yeah, I am going to do this with them. So what I do is I usually get my translucent powder and then I'll literally put some over my lips. Don't know if that's a good thing or not. I'll just let that sit for a minute. And then once I've taken the powder off, usually I like to go in with like a gloss to then make it more shiny. This is new. I got this at Christmas. It's Tropic Lip Fudge. So it's basically like a lip balm, but it's got a tint to it as well. But it also works as a lip plumping conditioner, but I just love this to use now for when I do this. Clean the edges. So I've just put this to make it seem like I'm going out, but I'm not. So I've already put some on, but literally like you can't even see the name of this. It is called Face Shimmer. You can probably get this on Amazon or literally like a market, right? But benefits of using this and the benefits of like not, picking a foundation shade that might be a bit darker, especially if something like, for me anyway, I feel like I'm really white. Like Casper the Ghost white, it's not funny. But by having this as well, you can blend it, and the lighting is really rubbish in here, but hopefully you'll be able to see on some pictures. But it can make you glow more, it just gives you a bit more of a natural colour. So you can literally just use it on your chest, use it wherever. It's good because at least if you wear a top like this, the only place that you have to sort of blend is your chest area. And then once all my makeup's done, I'll just use I'll use any setting spray. I don't care what effect it gives me. And for my hair, I'm literally just gonna put it up in a ponytail or something, I don't know. And we could do a bun. I'm just gonna take some big hairspray. There you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing a lot more, hopefully. And they're not all going to be makeup based, but at the minute, this is just all I can do. But I hope everyone stays safe in this period where no one knows what's going on. Yeah, just do your makeup, feel good about yourself, practice your makeup, because right now I feel the best that I've felt in days. And that